Welcome to this developer blog, where we take a quick look at the English Premier League. It's a simple dashboard using Power BI, with the league table, teams, fixtures, player statistics, and some historical data. We will look at some of the selections and filters, how they were set up. Tree map chart is used for top goal scorers, shown on the bottom half. Clicking on the teams filters both the fixtures on the right and the top goal scorers. One of the challenges here was how to show the fixtures for a team when selected, as the fixtures table has the team listed in both home and away fields. There is no direct relationship mapped in. Instead, used a measure that returns a 1 or 0 like a Boolean. It looks at what is selected and checks if it's matching the home and away fields. Then it's used as a filter on the fixtures, if it's one show. If no team is selected, it sets it to return 1 for all teams. This method allows the display of home and away games for the chosen team. At the center, quick statistics are displayed for the top goal scorer and assists by club. If no team is selected, the overall top player is shown instead. The next dashboard provides a more detailed overview of team statistics, including their top goal scorers, penalties, and players with the most assists. It also displays the percentage of games the team has won, drawn, and lost. When a team is selected, the team badges switch accordingly, or the Premier League lion icon is shown. Again, an if statement is used. For the image, the field is set to image URL, with the website address for the image in the spreadsheet. The titles won are highlighted if they have won in the past. This is done by a rule set on the background. The final dashboard showcases the Premier League's all-time leaders, including the top goal scorer, most free kick scorers, and penalty takers. The table displaying appearances includes conditional formatting to highlight the player who has played in the most games. The dashboard minimizes the use of tables, instead utilizing additional measures to adjust the display based on the team selected. There are some relationships mapped for the tables to make the data flow across. It's mainly the team mapping. Note: the data shown here is for the 23rd of April, 2025. Thank you for watching.